Go.
All right, Quad Squad and Sheldon in the building.
What up, what up, what up, Cancun?
Last beach. It's
Yes, sir.
chilling. This chair is comfy because I put a cushion underneath me.
This is nice. I want one too, man.
Yeah, we're going to eventually go on the whip in the water. We're having a good time, getting the sun tan. And you'll notice I lost a lot of weight, so I'm looking fresh. All right.
And I gained all the way for him, so I'm looking even more fresh.
Of course. Yeah, all right. Thanks. Let's get it.
Cheers.
All right, you beautiful people. Quad Squad back at it with another one. Today we are going to the beach and we're getting a beach wheelchair. We're gonna go to the ocean. We're gonna do plenty of things like chilling. That's our plenty of things plans for today. All right, let's get it. Let's go. We're going to the beach with Accessible, Cancun Accessible. Yo, they're treating us right. They're my only recommendation for anything accessible down here. They doing it right. All right. All right. We're back in the...
All right.
All right. In the whip. Back in the whip. Going to whip around. Sheldon, you gonna have a good day today.
We are gonna have a blessed day. Happy Sunday, guys.
Yeah, Sheldon the Black Traveler and Quad Squad.
Yes, sir.
Doing it right in Cancun.
Yes. W for Mexico. W for Mexico.
And Sabrina.
Hola, Sabrina. ¿Cómo está?
Yeah. Alright, so what's up? Quad Squad back at it with another one. We're with Accessible Cancun and we're going to have a beach day. Yeah, so me, Sheldon, and the crew back here. And we got our awesome hostess,
Caesar.
the hostess information, Caesar. And we are going to
Playa
the beach,
Langosta.
Playa de Langosta. And then we're gonna go check out another beach maybe. But you know, Las Perlas. And we're gonna get it. Let's go get it. Let's get it done. Peace. We are here at Playa Langosta. And we are getting out of the vehicle. We go hard.
What is that?
Alright. The police are here.
That is police.
Are we good? We ready to go? Alright, what's up? Quad Squad back at another one. We're at Playa Langosta. We're gonna go check out the beach, see what it's about, see if this is the one we want to stay at, and that's it. Alright, let's go check out the beach. What up? Quad Squad at it with another one. Yeah. Okay.
Guys, don't forget to...
Oh, that's cool. Look at that. There's little steps, but they have like a little design for wheelchair accessibility. That's freaking cool. That is some good design right there. Hey buddy, maybe wait on that for right now. Let's check it out.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll let you know.
Yeah, so that you will let
So I'm only gonna get on it at one beach or the other beach.
I'm thinking that this is a better.
Yeah?
better.
Check very well.
Why do you think so?
This place.
This
Yeah?
one is Langosta.
Langosta.
Las Perlas is
Las Perlas is small
Small?
and maybe dirty.
Oh, okay.
That is, I want that you check very well.
Okay. Thank you.
okay. Go.
Alright guys, let's roll.
Por favor, gracias. Slowly, yeah. Oops. Wait. Wait, Nick. Wait, your cord. So where are you going now? Slowly. My God.
Huh? Oh. Just that side. So legs, yeah, and then armpits. No, two. One arm here and one arm here. Come on this side.
No, que son dos, uno aquí, otro acá.
Yeah. No, two, because you can't get by.
Son dos.
One person at the back.
Uno aquí, el otro acá.
Only one person.
No, one person at back, one person at front.
Una persona.
Okay. Hey, Shawarma. You want to give us a hand?
One person, two person.
Two. One here, one here. Yo, you want to grab me by my armpits and lift me over? Alright. So watch out. So just grab me under my armpits and lift and then over. Maybe put me back a little bit. So go from the end and then lift. Yeah. Alright. Perfect. Gracias. And we could probably move the wheelchair and turn on the power.
Get away, dude.
So there's a power button. Alright, boys and girls, we're in the chair, going to the beach.
Alright, guys, they got my buddy Nick Patterson Quad Squad in the fitness wheelchair.
Living the life. You know, you gotta look fresh with the Jordans on, right? Can't be going nowhere without Jordans, right? You know how it is. Gotta look fresh. Gotta find them chiquitas. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna get harder. Yeah.
I'm just having a hard time going through the sand here with this thing. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put the cooler in between my legs if you want. There we go.
Gracias, con permiso.
Hola.
I come back with señorita to put the pan.
Yeah, why not? Perfect.
Sí.
Yeah, why not?
It's beautiful things that
Man, I love my life. Everything in it. And I don't regret anything. Life is good. Even as a quadriplegic in a wheelchair, Quad Squad loves his life. And you should too. Alright, to the water we go, guys. To the water we go.
Oh wow, that feels nice.
maybe the GoPro will get wet.
It's okay, it's waterproof.
Yeah.
Nick, videotape it, Nick.
Oh, I am.
Oh. More?
Yeah, let's keep going until I get some water.
You can't bring it further out. Can you?
Yeah, let's keep going. Yeah.
I want some
Nice.
Up?
Oh, bro, it's like a fucking recliner. Oh, it's like a lazy boy, Sheldon. The front float. No,
Oh, you're not getting around.
Bro,
It's
I
like
would
a
not
wheelchair.
take a chance of drowning.
Oh, this kid can't move.
No, bro.
That's sick. Sabrina, do it again. Woo! Ah,
Yeah, bro.
splash.
But,
Splash on there.
stop that.
You get there?
Oh, fuck you guys.
Is your GoPro waterproof?
Yeah.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, obviously.
Guys, he's in the water. No excuses
No excuse.
at all. Woo!
Doing a tilt.
Maybe I'm holding it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, son.
You can swim now, Sheldon.
Yeah. Hey, Shama, get this. You want to film me and him?
Yo, get out of my way. Get in the sun. I
Or
want
actually,
to
wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, grab the camera quickly.
Perfect.
I don't think so.
Guys, this guy is such a motivational person. No excuses.
Yo.
If he can do it and I can do it, you can definitely do it.
Fuck yeah.
That is so fucking sick, this little floating device.
No limit.
Shit, no limits for real, yo.
Live your life to the best you can.
Live your life to the best. Man, I'm proud of you, doggy.
Yeah, bro.
Shit. All right, Shama.
Yeah.
Shama, splash. Oh, so you fucking
You have to go.
Oh, yeah, should we stop? All right, Nick, I'm going in deeper, Nick.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ah, you went my foot. Even in the water, you're running over my foot.
Damn.
Shit.
Don't make started.
Yeah.
Sheldon.
Huh? Why is he following me?
Yeah, keep going.
You are the one who's following
But
us.
I'm gonna go deep.
Okay,
We're
let's
going to
go.
deep. We're going also.
It floats, motherfucker.
Okay. Are you sure, Nick?
Yeah, I'm sure it floats. I'm floating. This is nice. I've actually never been in a beach chair in the ocean. It's actually pretty sick. Right, go right.
Yeah.
To your right.
Right.
What's this bluntly in the water?
What?
Yeah, no, back it up. We're going right. Oh, you got it. You got it. We're doing a wheelie, guys. We're doing a wheelie. Ba, 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 ba. Woo! God, we're on a sun, we're fucking, we're on like a sun patch. A sand patch. We're on a sand patch. So I don't know if it's like a cliff you drop off of.
Huh?
It's like a cliff you drop off
Yeah,
of.
we will fall there next.
Yeah, I don't know if I feel
Just stay
comfortable with
here.
that.
There beside only him.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, guys, this right here is like a huge drop into the water. It's like literally like a cliff. So I'm gonna jump off into the water. I'm a professional swimmer. I've been taking swimming lessons since I was a baby. Hold on, guys.
Really?
I don't know. No, he's not professional, but he knows how to swim.
Where are you?
I'm over here, brother.
Sabrina,
Hey.
what up? Okay, now I'm gonna come to you guys. Watch how I swim. I'm a professional.
Yeah,
drowning.
professional floater. Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, there's the cliff.
So now walk towards the cliff and then drop off. Like take a big step and almost drop down the cliff.
Don't dive.
Don't dive. Just
Okay.
walk until so they get a good perspective.
Not dying.
Ah, there he goes. Oh no, we're losing our blind friend.
Oh, that's deep.
Shit.
Holy shit.
Woo! Woo!
Woo.
Woo!
Sabrina, can you swim?
Yeah.
Sabrina, do you know how to swim?
Yeah, of course.
Huh?
Of course.
Whoa, that's deep. Where's the, okay, there it is. Woo.
Woo! I'm gonna get a sick ass tan. I've never tanned on a vacation.
Nick, we got some good content.
We fucking
Yesterday
got great
and today.
content. Yeah, great content.
A lot of, hey, this is,
It's the wheel.
It's the wheel, dumbass.
for what?
For the...
It's for my foot.
the
It's for my
floating
foot.
thing.
Oh, shit.
What do you
This
think?
is a big ass wheelchair.
Yeah, duh. What do you think? I'm a white little kid?
This
I'm a
is
big white
crazy.
boy. I'm a big
This is
white boy.
crazy. This could easily go over the sand.
Yeah, bro. Sheldon, say what's up.
What's up, guys?
What's
What's up, guys? We're in Mexico, Cancun. How does the water look, Nick, by the way? Is it blue or white or clear?
It's clear.
How's the sand?
Nice and clear.
White sand.
White sand?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a white sand.
Oh, okay, nice. Sorry, Sabrina. Come swim with me, Sabrina.
I don't swim.
Are they partying on a boat, Nick?
Yeah, it's like a big party pirate boat.
So, what does it look like, dude?
It's a pirate boat. What does a pirate boat look like?
I'm
It looks like a
blind.
damn pirate boat.
I'm blind.
Like a Peter Pan boat.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
A massive freaking yacht too. Massive yacht. Hey, we're going in.
We're going back in.
Yeah.
You have to push.
Oh,
You
Sheldon.
push.
so right there.
Push.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, go right. Yeah. Straight.
Oh,
Straight. Whoa.
You're the one who pushing it. No, wait.
Oh.
Wait. Oh, we push it like a wheelchair.
oh, like this.
Yeah.
Oh, why was I pushing it down?
I don't know what you
Yo, Nick, get up so I can board this thing. I'm lazy. I want this for myself.
There's a big stick. Hey, stop. Slow down.
Okay.
Go right.
want
You have to lift it. Yeah, there you go.
Where do you want?
Straight. Where's Sharma?
Yeah, Sharma is there.
Okay, there he is.
Sheldon, hey.
Sheldon,
Yeah.
put it down.
Push.
Down?
Push.
No.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's fine. That's
Oh,
fine.
okay.
It works.
Okay. Good. All right. Push.
The crew is going in. We're going in, bro. We're going in.
We are going in. We're pushing in the quad squad.
You're pushing it in the wrong way. Sheldon.
Turn right. Turn right. Straight.
Sabrina, come on.
No,
Where's
yeah.
your shoulder, Sabrina?
We're gonna hit this kid.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go. Alright, where's Shama? Shama!
It's okay, he's sitting down there. Don't bother him.
Okay, no, don't worry about it. Oh shit. Hold on, Sabrina. Oh shit. Ah, fuck. What are you doing?
What? I don't know what you're doing.
That's you, Joe. Yo, Sheldon, you pull from the front or whatever.
You go from the front. The shoulder.
Sheldon, we're being pulled by the blind man. Yo, people that can see are so bad with their left and rights. Yo, left. Yeah, straight. Yup, straight. Yup. Caesar! What up, Caesar? Straight. Okay, go left a little bit. Left.
Oh, my foot. Okay.
Okay, straight, right over his fucking flip-flops. Right over Sheldon's flip-flops, fuck that boy. Woo!
Sorry, Nick.
Alright, Quad Squad, heading off the beach. Quite the beach experience. Thank you, Accessible Cancun. Thank you, Cesar.
Hi,
Yo. Sheldon's here.
Sheldon's here,
Yeah,
always
baby.
here. And we are leaving this beautiful beach with this beautiful sunset, which Sabrina is standing in the way of.
Hey, sorry.
Alright. Bye-bye, Cancun Beach. And let's go get it.
Let's get it. I think that should be a little slogan, Nick. Let's get it.
Let's get it. That's literally I've already made it the slogan.
Yeah.
Oh man, you didn't make it hurt so good. Love out love, don't feel like it should. You make it hurt so good. How's the hair look? Hair look good? Yeah, I know it looks good. So I just got a new haircut. Yep, Cancun style. Oh, rolling away with a beautiful sunset. Alright, Quad Squad got at it with another one, and now we are going to get back in the vehicle, back in my wheelchair, and maybe go check something else out. We'll see. Beach chair, into, and back in the chair. Boom. See you later, beach. Beach. All right, let's get it.